Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to enable voice changer on Game Turbo on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, scroll down and tap on additional settings. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Game Turbo. Now from here, you can tap on the plus icon to add any games, just like that. Now from here, if you tap on the settings icon and scroll down, you can enable home screen shortcut and it will create a home screen shortcut of the Game Turbo app. Now from here, make sure you enable in-game shortcuts. Now once you enable in-game shortcuts, just go back. Now from here, just open any game you like. Now from here, tap on start playing. Now from here, as you can see, a small bar has appeared at the upper left corner on the display. Just swipe from the left to the right. Now from here, as you can see, we have the option of voice changer. Now from here, you can change your voice to different styles. You can change your voice to a girl's voice, a woman's, a cartoon's voice, a robot's, or a man's voice. I will select robot. Now from here, just tap and hold on this button to start recording your voice and it will change your voice to a robot's voice.
Tap and hold on this button to start recording your voice and it will change your voice to a robot's voice.
Now as you can see, you can do the same. Now as you can see, you can choose any other sound profile and do the same and it will record your voice and change your voice to the type you selected. And this is how you can enable voice changer on Game Turbo on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.